Yo, what's up? My name is Matilda Morris, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the staple gun. So, a staple gun is like a really shit trick, and you just like pop your board over the coping with one foot still in the ramp, and then you just pop it back in, and you look stupidly gay, but no one can do it. So basically, what you want to do is you want to roll up to the coping, kind of just like general speed roll, and just as you approach the top of the coping, kick this front foot out like that, so it goes over the coping, and then it might seem a little scary, but you just go come back on. Very easy, man.
Part of the variations.
You can take him to stupid fucking banks and just flip in, flip out, look twist, all sorts, man.
Oh, is this fell out of your camera, G?
Fuck staple guns.